Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw the chapter of GCP cab system, how to view the records, journey records we will be able to view. After that, once the journey is ended, we have to pay the amount, right? We have to do some calculation part for here. So what I am going to do here is we have to do another form. Okay, so what I am going to do here is here, if you click on this one, we have to show the edit form. So we will be able to edit the record of amount only. Okay, the amount only we have to edit, right? So what I am going to do here is we have to the same journey, the same thing. I just select this one, copy it. I am going to create another form. So as a form my this one, edit. Next, paste the things. Right here I am going to edit the record. Pay. Okay, all right. So these all fields we have to hide. Only the amount only visible. So I am going to this one. We have to properties. We have to editable. We can't editable. We have to editable false. Otherwise, we have to enable false. So as enable. We have to false it. Time. Only we will be see. We can't do anything. Select all the text fields. Right click. Enable false. This enable, it's coming true. You have to false it. Close it. It's here now. This all the text field enable false. Except this only. This one only accept. Okay, this only accept. Okay, this only we have to allow to enter the amount. Okay, amount will be displayed. You have to edit the amount. Okay, right. Now what I am going to do is here. What I am going to do is here we have to pass it to the another form. Now, if you click on this one, it will be passing the record into another form. Okay, so how to do the task is simply. Now I am going to this record. You have to pass into this page. How to passing this record into another page? So you have to, what you are going to do is you have to select right click, event, mouse click event. Here, first what I am going to do here is we have to copy these lines. I just explain it. Don't worry about that one. Sorry, not here. Right, this one here table object we have created this table model, d1 table model we have cast it. This is a table, j table 1. Here this record, when you click the mouse, particular row has been selected. Okay, this row, the get selected row passing to here. Here we have to the specific fields we have to add id, time. ID you have set it as ID. You have set it as ID. You have set it as a variable. Okay, you set it as a variable. Okay. After that we have the this one should be the second one should be the time. Simply just Ctrl C copy, pick up, description, Ctrl it, copy, control V to paste here. P name, phone number, driver amount, right. The new page is edit page. You have to set this all parameters over here. Time, second is time, third one should be the pickup, ds, rename, phone number, driver amount, amount. It pass into another page, right? Click on this one. We have to create the constructor. If you click on this one, the same field will be created in this page. Okay, you can see this all the page. It automatically created. Okay, the simple stuff you have to do it, right? So after that, what I am going to do is we have to do the another stuff. You have to create the variables first. ID times, I just change the names. ID, the same name given, I have changed the name. Okay, pickups, I just create the name. Description, this. File identified, the same name file given, it's no problem, but I have differently. I will give you the name. After that, P number, after the driver, after that amounts. You can give any name professionally. Okay, I just give the name something like that. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do is we just set it as a, this is the class. Okay, this is a constructor class. We have passed some arguments. So this argument here equal to the class level data. So how to assign the class level data? We have to use the this keyword. So we have to use the this keyword and assign it. Okay, so this keyword and assign the data. It's very simple. So how to assign it? This ID is assigned to this ID. This times assigned to this time. This pickup you are assigned to these pickups. Sorry. No, this. Pickup. These pickups. This description. This description. P names. P name. Drivers. Driver. Amounts. This amount. Sign like this. Simple. That's the thing you have to do, right? After that, what I'm going to do is we have to set it as here the text field. Which text field? We have to set these text fields. Name or this text field, txt time. Text time set x. We have to set this ID. Okay. So here, what is the problem here is we have to do the thing is we have to first we have to implement this page. Edit page, SQL class we haven't implemented. Import Java dot SQL package. Import Java. Sorry, that's only the package we have to import it. After that, what I'm going to do is we have to create the two classes. connection on the pair statement PST. Go away. This has to import the packages. This we no need it. ex.printtrace. Okay. Perfect. Now let's see whether it's working fine or not. When you click on this one, it goes to the page. Click here. Suppose the error is there. I think you have to import all the stuff. Point dot set text because so other fields are empty, only ID should be there. That's why it show there. All the fields we have to assign, then only it working. This is a destination set text. This pickups. Other fields, this same thing, Control C copy, paste it over here. This one should be extension. This one should be this one. Fields we have to change it as this one. Passenger name, phone number, this one should be driver, this one should be amount. This one driver, amount. That's it. Now let's check. Click on this one. It's there. Edit. The problem, the time IDs set time. Okay, the problem here is, what is the thing is, so to pass it this one, where's the journey? But get rid of this ID. Sorry, the ID you have to there. Time you have to do it here as well. Only the time you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ID you no need, so ID is getting the ID, so it's no problem. ID is also there. Times the pickup point, description, you have to change it, all the stuff, p names, this one should be the phone number, the stuff there, ID, what I'm going to do is get the ID. We are passing to the variable string IDs equal this ID. Now I think it's okay. What was the error? What is error here is the public, this one we have to, this constructor we have to make it as public. The initialization component also we have to put it here. That's the problem, I think. Right, now let's run and check. Click on this one, here it goes. Only you will be able to edit the amount only. Okay, so you have to edit the amount. What is the amount was there? So all the amount I have to put it here as 0 position. One thing you have to do it here, when the journey started, amount should be 0. Once the journey is finished, only the amount should be calculated. Okay, so that we are just like this. So here what you are going to say, again run it and show you. If you click on this one, the amount should be 0. Okay, now here what's the journey said that if you enter the particular amount, what is the amount of the journey? Okay, starting time it's 8:45. What is the time ended? We have to calculate according to the time. We have to calculate the pay amount and calculator, and you have to click pay. Your journey is ended. Okay, so in next tutorial I'll teach you how to edit the records and do the payment. Thank you for watching.